दिव्यत्वाची जेथ प्रचिती तेथे कर माझे जुळती. गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीवन. टुडेज डेट 8th August 2021. डे संडे. टुडेज पंचांग आषाढ कृष्ण अमावास्या दर्शामावास्या. Today's special in Indian history. In 1942, Mahatma Gandhi announced the Quit India movement. Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai. There was a great revolutionary, Preetilata Vaddedar. Let's know and read her story, understand and salute to Preetilata Vaddedar. Preetilata was born in middle class Vaidya family on 5th May 1911 at Dalghat village in Pathia Upazila of Chitgaon. Now it is in Bangladesh. Vaddedar family was very well known. Preetilata's father's name was Jagabandhu Vaddedar. Her mother Pratibha Devi had 6 children. Among them, Preetilata is very brilliant. Jagabandhu tried to arrange the best possible education to their children. He got Preetilata admitted in Dr. Khastikar Government Girls School of Chitgaon. Preetilata was meritorious student, a teacher in the school whom students affectionately used to call Ushadi. Used stories of Rani Lakshmibai to inspire nationalism in her students. Arts and lectures were Preetilata's favorite subject. She passed out of Khastikar Government Girls School in 1928 and in 1929 got admitted to the Eden College, Dhaka. In the intermediate examination, she stood first among all students who appeared in that year's examination from the Dhaka board. As a student in Eden College, she participated in various social activities. She joined the group Shri Sangha headed by Leena Nag under the banner Dipali Sangha. To pursue higher education, Preetilata went to Calcutta, now is Kolkata, and got admitted to the Bethlehem College. 2 years later, she graduated in philosophy from the college with distinction. However, her degree was withdrawn by British authorities at Calcutta University. As a school teacher, after completing her education in Calcutta, Preetilata returned to Chitgaon. At Chitgaon, she took up a job of headmistress at local English medium secondary school called Nandakanan Aparnacharan School. Preetilata decided to join Indian independence movement. Surya Sen had heard about her and wanted to join their revolutionary group. On 13 June 1932, Preetilata met Surya Sen and Nirmal Sen in their Dalaghat camp. So many revolutionaries don't want to join Preetilata because women in revolutionary had many hurdles and risks. Still, Preetilata was allowed to join the group because the revolutionary response that the transporting weapons would not attract as much suspicious as men. Surya Sen and his revolutionary group decided to kill Mr. Inspector General of Chitgaon, Ramkrishna Bishwas and Kalipadatta Chakravarti were assigned for this task, but they mistakenly killed SP of Chandapur and Tarini Mukherjee instead of Karik. Ramkrishna Bishwas and Kalipada Chakravarti were arrested on 2nd December 1930. After the trial, Bishwas was ordered to be hanged till death and Chakravarti to be exiled to Sellier jail. The family friends lacked the amount of money required to travel to Chitgaon to Alipuri jail of Calcutta. Since that time, Preetilata was staying in Kolkata. She was asked to go to Alipuri jail and meet Ramkrishna Bishwas. Along with revolutionary group of Surya Sen, Preetilata took part in many raids like attacks on the telephone offices, telegraph offices, and the capture of the reserve police line in the Jalalabad battle. She took the responsibility to supply explosive to the revolutionaries. In 1932, Surya Sen planned to attack Paharatali European Club, which had a signboard that read Dogs and Indians not allowed. Surya Sen decided to appoint a woman leader for this mission. Kalpana Datta was arrested 7 days before the event. Because of this, Preetilata was assigned the leadership of that attack. Preetilata went to Kotavali seaside for arms training and made the plan of their attack there. They decided to attack club on 24 September 1932. The members of the group were given potassium cyanide and were told to swallow if they were caught. On the day of attack, Preetilata dressed herself as a Punjabi male. Her associates wear dress, lungis, shirts and other dhotis. They reached at club around 10:45 p.m. and launched their attack. There were around 40 people in the club. The revolutionaries divided themselves into the separate group for attack. The building was set alight before they started shooting in it. In the club, a few police officers who had revolvers started shooting. Preetilata incurred a single bullet wound. According to the police leader in this attack, an injured Preetilata was trapped by the British police. The next day, the police found the body. Preetilata was dead. She was just 21. We salute Preetilata. जय वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद। भारत माता की जय। भारत के सभी शहीदों को शत शत प्रणाम।